What if you could see the entire history of human civilization on a single plate? Most people see a meal. We see a masterpiece of migration, a biological marvel, and a secret language of power. Welcome to Plates of the Planet. This is your destination for cinematic food documentaries that go far beyond the kitchen. Through our flagship series, World Food Stories, we travel from the ancient tea roots of the East to the modern street soul of the West to uncover the cultures that define us. Our journey is a deep dive into the human experience. We explore the history that built empires and the science of every flavor. We pull back the curtain on industry secrets, bust the most persistent food myths, and investigate the psychology behind why we eat what we do. From the future of food to the iconic dishes that took the world by storm, we leave no stone unturned. We don't just show you food. We uncover its soul. If you're hungry for more than just a recipe, if you want to explore the history, the science, and the stories behind every bite, then you're in the right place. Plates of the Planet. Subscribe now. Explore deeper